Episode 8, The Klarna Experience, Replacing People with AI.
The AI 6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Klarna, the Shop Now, Pay Later app, is one of the first big companies to embrace AI. So much so, its customer service agent is now doing the work of 700 people. Welcome to AI 6, the podcast for marketers embracing the AI age. I'm Joanne Sweeney, and today I'm talking about Klarna, the Swedish fintech giant that's making headlines for a bold and controversial decision, replacing most of its customer service team with AI. But CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowsk says AI is doing so much more.
I would say in our company by now, with the 3,500, I would say there's a core group of 200 people who have really learned how to apply it practically, to really deploy it to different purposes, for automation, improvements, generating images, generating videos, marketing material, running financial analysis, interpreting our customers' needs and demands, product development, cursor for engineering. Like there's an endless right now opportunities to deploy it for moving faster, accelerate the business.
The big question. AI-powered customer service is nothing new, but Klarna has taken automation to the next level. And as their CEO says, it's a game changer. So, are we witnessing a dangerous over-reliance on AI at the cost of human jobs? We know that Klarna has gone all in on AI, rolling out automated chatbots to handle customer interactions. According to the company, their AI-powered bots now manage 2/3 of their customer service queries, representing 2.3 million conversations. It's available in 23 markets, 24/7, and communicates in more than 35 languages, dealing mainly with refunds, order issues, and then general inquiries. So as they do it with lightning speed, cutting response times from minutes to seconds, you have to ask the question, why wouldn't a company like Klarna use AI instead of humans to do the job if they can do it better? Well, their CEO has described this move as a huge leap in efficiency, making customer support faster, smarter, and cheaper. In terms of cost savings, AI is reducing staffing expenses significantly. 24/7 support to customers. AI doesn't take breaks or holidays. And then in terms of scalability, Klarna can handle more queries than ever before. But there is an important role of human oversight. And as you listen to more of these AI 6 episodes, you will begin to understand that AI needs human oversight as a partner in business, in marketing, and this is not different for Klarna. We all know that when it comes to customer service, we much prefer talking to a human. Klarna's customer perspective was much the same. While AI is resolving simple requests quickly, here's where customers are running into problems. The bot has a lack of empathy. AI just doesn't understand frustration or urgency. People are getting stuck in conversation loops. Some customers reported endless chatbot cycles with no way to escalate them to a human. And then difficulties reaching a human. If the AI can't resolve the issue, many struggle to find a way to talk to a real person. So the problem isn't just how fast customer service is, it's how personal it feels. And right now, Klarna's AI isn't winning everyone over. But of course, AI is a work in progress. But let's talk about the human cost. Beyond customer frustration, there's another issue: job losses. Klarna's move to AI resulted in hundreds of layoffs, a stark reminder that automation isn't just about efficiency, it's about workforce disruption. This does raise ethical and economic questions all in one. Should companies prioritize profits over people? Are we moving too fast towards AI-powered workforces? And what happens to customer service jobs in the long run? Klarna CEO says the money saved on customer service will be used to increase the paychecks of its staff. You can listen to his interview with Bloomberg on this very topic. Now, Klarna isn't the first company to replace workers with AI, and they won't be the last. But they are a good case study in innovation. Ultimately, the best approach for customer service leveraging AI in the new world is a hybrid model. AI handles simple, repetitive queries, and then humans step in for complex, high-emotion interactions. Companies and public sector organizations that strike this balance will likely win customer trust, while those that go all in on AI too soon risk damaging their reputation. So the real question is, will Klarna's AI-first model become the norm, or will companies realize the value of keeping humans in the loop?
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of AI6. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights. If you're ready to explore how AI can make your marketing smarter and more efficient, check out my professional diploma in AI for marketers. Or if you're looking for in-company training, I can help get your team up to speed. Use the code AI610 for a special discount just for podcast listeners. Also, find out more on my website at publicsectormarketingpros.com. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.